Cooking with gas. The idiom, cooking with gas, is an expression used to describe a situation or activity that is going well or progressing smoothly. It originated in the mid-20th century when gas stoves became popular in households as a more efficient way of cooking compared to traditional methods. The phrase implies that when you are cooking with gas, you are using the most effective and efficient method to achieve your desired outcome. It signifies that things are going according to plan and that you are making progress in a smooth and successful manner. Here are a few examples to help you understand the usage of this idiom. 1. Sarah, how is your new business venture going? John, it's going great. We secured a big client, and everything is cooking with gas. In this example, John is expressing that his new business venture is progressing smoothly and successfully. 2. The team had a slow start in the game, but once they found their rhythm, they were cooking with gas and scored several goals. Here, the phrase indicates that the team started slowly but then picked up momentum, performing exceptionally well and achieving their goals. 3. After months of practice, Mary finally mastered the piano piece she was struggling with. Now, she's playing it flawlessly, and she's really cooking with gas. This example demonstrates that Mary initially had difficulties with the piano piece but eventually overcame them, and now she is performing it flawlessly and with great skill. Overall, the idiom, cooking with gas, is a metaphorical expression that signifies progress, success, and efficiency in various situations. It can be used in both personal and professional contexts to describe smooth and effective progress towards a goal.